Hey guys, it's Jesse here at Victory Auto Wreckers with today's cool car of the day, if you want to call it that. Better yet, today's old car of the day is a 1973 AMC Gremlin X. According to HotCars.com, 671,475 of these were made from 1970 through 1978. Compared to the normal Gremlin, the Gremlin X had a V8 304 cubic inch engine, wider tires, and revised slot-style wheels. This 2,900 pound car did 0 to 60 in about 9 seconds. That's not exactly a speed demon. By comparison, the 1973 Chevy Camaro, which weighed 300 pounds more than the Gremlin, did it under 7 seconds, and it looked way cooler doing it. Let's take a closer look at the Gremlin we have here. I really like the Gremlin inlays in the door, but aside from the inlays, it's a pretty unremarkable car. It was a compact car built for the 1970s. It didn't really have any power, and it guzzled gas at a time when there was lines around the block to fill up your car. That was no fun, I'm sure. Who else remembers push-button radios, cigarette lighter, and an ashtray? Even the stick shifts nowadays are pretty rare. For being a compact car, it looks like 4 people were able to fit in it comfortably, but who would want to be seen riding in this? Price-wise, it sold for about $1,900 at the time. That would be approximately $12,000 in today's money. Fun fact, comic ventriloquist Jeff Dunham owns several Gremlins. I don't quite understand why. Of all the American cars that were made in the 1970s with V8s, the Gremlin isn't one of the cars I would even own. Did you or anyone in your family ever own one? Let us know in the comments. By the way, I was able to look on YouTube and find the TV commercial from 1973. Here it is.
American Motor's Gremlin is the little economy car that doesn't economize on the engine because it's the only one with 6 cylinders, not 4.
Oh, no, you don't.
So while the Gremlin is small enough to get you into tight spots,
I didn't realize.
it's powerful enough to get you out of them. And only American Motors makes this promise. The buyer protection plan backs every 73 car we build, and we'll see that our dealers back that promise. AMC Gremlin.